umbilical cord, Mommy?
No, sweetie, just me. I don't want you to break it.
First Haley and then me?
Sure.
Would that be a good idea?
Yeah.
All right, boys. Let's go. I know that's right. Let's go.
Hi. Haley.
Haley,
What you doing?
what you doing?
Taylor's a copier.
Taylor's the copier.